Know that I survived Hurricane Milton pretty much unscathed. There is a neighbor's cover to their AC unit blew off their roof, and it is next to my truck, but it didn't hit my truck, so I will let it live. Anyways, just letting you know, alive and well, and we'll be back at it probably tomorrow, because if you have fibromyalgia, you know that it flares up and gets crazy when things like this happen. So I need to get myself back together. Anyways, recovery day, and I'm back at it. Have a fantastic day.